Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Iqoo Neo 10 has the dynamic island feature and the latest system build. This avoids surprises later. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Display, then enable the dynamic island toggle so the UI can show notifications and interactions. Next, make sure key apps have notification permission and update them. This ensures live content appears in the island. Finally, close unneeded background apps to reduce conflicts and prepare the phone for immediate testing. Now you configure how the island behaves and why each choice matters. Open dynamic island settings and tune size, behavior, and gesture responses so notifications display where you expect them. This reduces accidental dismissals. Then, grant per app controls for notifications, bubbles, and ongoing activities so apps like music and maps use the island correctly. Once those permissions are set, test with music playback, a timer, and an incoming call to validate animations and tap interactions work smoothly. Make small adjustments if something feels off. To complete setup, verify gesture shortcuts, taps and long press responses perform the intended actions. This ensures efficient use in daily tasks. If animations or notifications are missing, restart the phone and recheck behavior because many UI glitches clear with a reboot. If problems persist, clear the affected app cache or reset dynamic island settings to default. This often restores proper notification routing. One key troubleshooting tip: if notifications still fail, confirm battery optimization isn't restricting the app, since that commonly blocks island updates.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.